My main clinical areas of work are in heart failure and interventional cardiology, and my main research interests are in the field of coronary artery disease and heart failure. Within the research realm, though, I've been the chairman of the research committee for about 6 years, and that allows me to have interface with multiple areas of cardiovascular research. We're a multidisciplinary research committee within our group. We do research that encompasses the areas of coronary artery disease, heart failure, lipid management, peripheral vascular disease, cardiac device therapy. So each area kind of has a physician that's expert in that area. So different physicians may oversee different products, and as the chairman of the research committee, then I have some oversight over all the projects in terms of screening them for appropriateness before we decide to participate in a trial. I think the most significant change that I've seen in cardiovascular research is the rapid increase in knowledge and the rapid movement of experimental types of therapy into the clinic, where we can actually bring those therapies forward to benefit the care of the patient, improve their outcomes, make sure their symptoms are well controlled, make sure they're living better and better quality of life.
Dr. Clemson came here from Hershey, Pennsylvania, as many of you know. And initially, whenever he'd go home, he would always bring back the office a big Hershey candy bar. Great big 5-pound, 10-pound Hershey candy bar that we would all share. We haven't seen one for the last few years, so we really miss it.
I have never had one. I've been here, I think, 8 years. Have you had one? No?
I have 2 children. Kyle is 24, and he is involved in personal finance management, and I have a daughter, Kelsey, who is 21, and she is a senior at Notre Dame. I would say I have several hobbies that I enjoy. Music would be one. I've always been somewhat interested in fitness, and so I've really tried to develop a program where I can try to stay fit and stay healthy, because I feel if you're going to preach that to your patients, you have to be a good role model for them. And I love to play golf when I have time, although that's a very time-consuming activity, and so you just never get to do that as much as you might like to.
He's had 2 hole-in-ones. He has hit a 3rd hole-in-one with us here at HeartCare Midwest. And we'd like to say, Dr. Clemson, you rock!